Your attention span isn't slowly getting worse, it's collapsing. And most people won't notice until one day they realize something terrifying. They can't read, they can't think. They can't focus for even 10 minutes. You open your phone without deciding to, you feel busy all day, but somehow finish nothing. It's not laziness. That's attention fragmentation. And if you don't fix it, everything else in your life becomes harder. So let's fix it before it's too late. Step 1. Set a baseline. Right now, your brain is lying to you. It thinks it knows how focused you are. It doesn't, so stop guessing. Do this instead. Pick a book. Start a timer. Read. The exact moment you feel the urge to. Check your phone, stand up a pen. Another tab, stop the timer. Remove it. Put your phone in another room. Turn notifications completely off. Close every tab except the one you need. You don't win focus by resisting temptation. Win by not giving it access. Step 3. Build a focus ritual. Focus doesn't start with motivation. It starts with a signal. Same place, same posture, same start. Every time, eventually your brain learns one rule. When this happens, we focus. No hype, no willpower. Just repetition. Consistency trains the mind faster than discipline ever will. Step 4. Rest before you break. Your brain isn't built for endless focus. After a certain point, performance doesn't slowly drop. It falls off a cliff. So stop working until you're exhausted. Work in blocks, and stop. Walk. Stretch. Breathe. Breaks don't kill productivity. They protect it. High performers know this. Everyone else calls it laziness. Final step. Attach attention to meaning. This is the step almost everyone skips. Can't focus on something that feels pointless. Before you start any task, ask, why does this matter? Who benefits if I do this? Then write the answer down. When attention is connected to meaning, focus stops feeling like force. It becomes a choice. It's the difference between forcing focus and sustaining it. Your attention is your life. What you give it, what you become. Life was not meant to be lived in 15-second clips. Fix your attention. And you don't just work better, you live better.